What's up, everybody? We're back again with another video. And so you know how like the last video I was about to say we're gonna make 5 delicious meals. So like how we gonna start this off with? We're gonna start off like kind of like in a way a 5-course meal. So we're gonna start with the appetizer, then the entrees, and the dessert. But since it's 5, it's gonna be 1 appetizer, 2 entrees, and 2 desserts. So let's go and start for the first one. So right now we're gonna make a Homestyle salad. So in order to make this meal, we're gonna need romaine, some iceberg lettuce, some walnuts, some strawberries, some tomatoes, feta, some rolls, and some chicken. So let's go and get to it, y'all. Alright, for this next step right here, we're gonna need to do is like very simple. We're just gonna cut off your lettuce. So what you do with like the iceberg, you just cut off the butt off of it. Then you cut it in half. Then you're gonna go and slice it in inches. Then you'll go again, another 1/4 inch. As simple as that. Then you're gonna want it like this part, like let it soak in some water, like the sink or something like that. So let me go ahead and do this. Now we'll go ahead and get to the next step. Let's get it. What we gotta do now is we're about to cut up our strawberries and also cut up our bread for the croutons and stuff. So like what we're gonna do now, so when you cut the strawberries is gonna be very important. Because we're gonna be using this strawberries for our strawberry vinaigrette. So also we're gonna be putting some into our actual salad itself. So you probably gonna cut like at least like half of what you have, then like say the other half for the vinaigrette. So let's go ahead and get everything set up and you know what I'm saying? Let's keep it moving. Let's get it. Alright, welcome back in, everybody. So like after we get done cutting up our strawberries, our tomatoes, and all that stuff, you probably got like a couple minutes on the croutons. So what you can do in that meantime is go ahead and season up your chicken. So we're gonna be seasoning our chicken with this like salt, pepper, and thyme seasoning, and that's really just it. But the thing is gonna be kind of weird though. Not really weird, but we're gonna be searing our chicken, so we're not gonna really be cooking it. We're gonna sear it off, and once we sear it off, we're gonna toss it in the oven. So let's go ahead and get to that real quick. Welcome back, everybody, like that. So we got everything set up. We got our salad all nice and pretty now, you feel me? So like, let's go ahead and try this thing, alright? So that's how the thing is looking, but you know, we gotta toss it off with a good old strawberry vinaigrette. We got my crouton and chicken for the that thing right there, good, yo. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Check out the next video. So, see you in the next video, y'all.
Alright, when I say Brandon, don't be saying I don't cook.
What? Who Brandon though?
Who is Brandon?
Who is Brandon though?
Tell me right now.
I want to know who Brandon is right now though.
Bro, first of all, she talks somebody named Brandon.
That's a light.
She gotta go.
She do gotta go though.
Brandon?
Now we back up in it, I feel like that baby when he leave the dentist. I fuck up a smile, I'ma stay independent. Throwing Millie Billy, niggas might steal it. Silent got me silly, turned into a menace. I was with the pigeons, burning all the bridges. Now I'm getting distance, I'm a fucking misfit, getting too explicit. I'ma need a witness. With the pilot, I be flying. Stars aligning, perfect timing, let's be honest.